Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi, SHIVE, and this morning we're visiting with Nan Montgomery. She's Warren County SNAP Educator. Good morning, Nan.
Good morning, Kristi.
Nan, I'm so happy you're here today because the Thanksgiving holiday is coming up, and sometimes we have a lot of leftovers that sometimes go bad or we just don't know what to do with them. And today you are going to give us an idea of what we can do with our turkey leftovers.
Yes, absolutely. So I know my family kind of gets in the same rut where we make the same recipes with leftovers, and sometimes it's just nice to add a change in recipes for the holiday season. So today we are going to be making holiday turkey salad, and it's almost like a chicken salad except we're going to use turkey instead. So first off, I have cooked my turkey in my skillet. I used a tablespoon of oil and let it cook for a minute, and then I set it aside. So we want our turkey to be cold in this dish. Now I am going to add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt in a bowl.
And Greek yogurt is a great thing to add because it's very low in calories but high in protein.
Yes, absolutely. And then we are going to take a teaspoon of honey, and this is going to give us a little bit of sweetness. This is going to be our dressing for our turkey salad. And we are going to mix it together, or whisk it together.
So we have a tablespoon
of
honey.
Tablespoon of honey, yes. And this is going to be like the perfect sweetness paired with that Greek yogurt. It's amazing. Then next, we are going to actually take our turkey. Our turkey is cooled down, and we're going to add it into a large bowl.
Now, how much turkey do we use for this recipe?
This recipe calls for 2 pounds, but feel free to use, if you only have a pound, feel free to adjust it to whatever amount of turkey that you would like. Then we are going to use 3 stalks of celery that's chopped. The celery was washed. That's very important. Then we are going to use 1 cup of red grapes, and they have also been cut in half. Then we are going to use 1 14-ounce can of pineapples, and these have been drained.
So we've got protein from our turkey. We've got celery, which is a vegetable.
Yes.
We have fruit. We're really touching on all of our food groups.
Absolutely. And then this is 2/3 cups of pecans. If you have walnuts left over for Thanksgiving or any other types of nuts, feel free to use what you have on hand. And so I'm going to mix this up just a little bit to get all of our ingredients before I add our dressing. And then we are going to add our Greek yogurt and our honey dressing. And this is going to give us a lot of nice flavor. So some important tips to keep in mind about Thanksgiving is if you do eat on those leftovers, you want to make sure that you get those put in the freezer within 3 to 4 days. So after Thanksgiving, if it's coming on 3 or 4 days, make sure that you are putting your turkey in freezer safe bags and you're freezing it, because your turkey really, it could be a food safety issue if you leave it in the refrigerator longer than 3 or 4 days after you've cooked your Thanksgiving turkey. So just make sure that you're ready to freeze that so that you can pull it out and use it in other dishes if you have plenty of leftovers.
Now, Nan, I know that people are probably looking for other recipe inspiration ideas to use with those leftovers. If they want more recipes, how can they get their hands on them?
So you can just call the Warren County Extension Office or whatever extension office is closest to you. And we have some wonderful family and consumer science publications that have a lot of different recipes to how to reuse that turkey. And so that's a great way. We are a wonderful tool for you to be able to get recipes to utilize that leftover turkey.
Well, Nan, this turkey salad looks beautiful, and I love all of the flavors that you used. Pineapple is a really interesting ingredient.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is a great dish because I know when we're talking about Thanksgiving, probably healthy is not the first item that pops into our head, or at least I know mine. And so this is a great dish that would be alternative for somebody who has different dietary restrictions. This would be a great dish that would be healthy and delicious for Thanksgiving.
Well, if you are watching and need any more recipe ideas for how to utilize your Thanksgiving leftovers, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.